Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again with an update number 2 of the Oukitel or Oukitel. Some people say Oukitel, I say Oukitel. The Oukitel P2001 Plus. This is the new system. I already put up a video the other day, and I got a little bit more information because a little bit of information was missing from the website, which is like the voltage and the solar input. And I think those are very, very important things. So I contacted Oukitel, and I finally got a message back. So let me bring it up here. This is the new system, guys. I have the original one, and so I know a lot about it. This is the new message that I got. Okay, so the AC voltage is 120 volts. That is a big upgrade because my two systems that I have two of the P2001 originals, and they're both only 110 volts, and that is a big difference. Like if you were playing music and you could, play 110 volts and 120 volts, you could definitely hear the difference and feel the difference. Like when you put the faders up, you could definitely hear the power boost of 120 compared to 110. So that gives, that gives a big boost to the energy that you use for whatever item that you use. Okay, and then the AC output is 4 ports at the 2400 watts. That is fantastic because ours is 2000 watts on the original one, and we can run up to about 2400 and then a little bit past there, I think the 2475 or something like that, for a few minutes, and then it pops. And it was only a 2000 watt inverter, so now that it goes all the way up to 2400 watts, I think that is a monster upgrade as well, because you get a boost, and their and not only surge power, but their kind of rated power goes past what their AC inverter says it can do. Like ours is 2000, it can go up to about 2400, and for a long time. So now that the new one is 2400 watts, it could probably do, I'm guessing, 25, 26, 2700 watts respectively. So I can't wait to see that. And then this is the most important thing, guys. Well, the voltage is very big too, but the solar charging is the big thing. 12 volts to 48 volts at 10 amps. MPPT controller, of course, max 500 watts. This, for me, I think is kind of a letdown. This is exactly the same parameters that I have on the original ones, which is the 12 to 48, 500 watt max, 10 amps. Same MPPT controller, of course, but I would have liked to have seen this go from maybe 12 to 60 volts. That way you can use a little bit bigger panels and maybe up the wattage a little bit. Maybe that would be ideal. So overall, it's the same solar charging as the original model. I just wanted to bring this information to you guys. Like I said, it's just a little added piece to the puzzle here, because this definitely should have been on the website when I did that first look the other day for the Scriber, and they didn't have it. So hopefully they got smart and they added this to the website. We can check real quick and see if they put it in the specs. Now this is June 17th. This will be the super early bird thing, and then you get a free 100 watt panel, IP65. Let me see if they well, let's hope they put it up on there. Okay, AC. Yep. See, they didn't put it here. Let's see. Dealing with these companies sometimes is for. Oh, okay. So at least the 2400 watts is on there now, but the solar charging I don't remember seeing on there, and the voltage of the system. So let's see. I remember looking all the way through, so I just couldn't find it. Let's see here. LiPo batteries, okay. Yep. Okay. So they still don't have it on there, guys. But at least now we know, confirmed by Oukitel themselves. Let me get back to the top here. When they sent out this email. So now if you guys want to screenshot that and save it, if this is a system that you're interested in, or for the Scriber that asked me to look at this system, like I said, I have a lot of knowledge with the original one. Having 2 of those full systems I paid for with my own money. I would definitely take this system over the original one for the upgrades of a lot of stuff. I think the biggest upgrade for me right off the bat, the voltage is 120, and the ports are on the front of the system. I think that is a monster upgrade to have access to these on the front of the system, and then the charging is on this side, where the original one, the charging was on the left side, and then the dial-in too. So there's definitely better parts of this system than the original. Okay, guys, I'll leave it at that. Hopefully this information finds you good, and party on, guys. I'll see you next time on Ramblin Bob Reviews. Bye, guys. Travel safe.